My name is Tise, and today we're going to learn the environment of Logopit Plus. The whole window, we have to learn it. What is on our screen, what we can achieve with it. So today we are just going to learn all these tools and how to work with them. Alright, so let's start from the top left. Top right of the screen, which is my top left, which is my left, is your layers panel, where all the things you're working with, they are on this. Anything that is on this on your canvas here is in this panel, okay, in the layers panel. If you click on this, something inside this canvas is selected. If you click on this one, something inside the canvas is selected. You click on another one. So guys, when I mean canvas, I mean this area, this particular square shape. You understand? If you change it to A4 paper size, that A4 paper size is your canvas, where your drawing must not exceed, where your drawing cannot go outside, where your drawing board is your canvas. All right, so whatever you're doing must stay inside this environment. Whatever you're doing must stay inside this canvas. All right, so the top left is your which is top right of the screen is your layers panel. So followed at the top is your zoom button. All right, when you click on it, it will open up the zoom levels. So if you click the plus, it will be zooming in. Okay, so if you click the minus, it will zoom out. All right, so as it is zooming in and out, we have the third button. What does it mean? It means fit to screen. Right, when you click on it, it should fit anywhere you are. It should fit the design to your screen. So let's say this is how it was. I click on it, it will fit to screen. This is how I was. I click on it, it will fit to screen. So that is that. And then the other one is called the undo and the redo, where these two arrows, the one by your left this side is the undo and the one this side is the redo. Let's say you mistakenly take this thing out of that area, so you click on undo, but then let's say you love it when you took it that side, you click redo. So that is that, as simple as that. And then we have another one, the plus icon. It's our insertion point. All right, it is our insertion point where we can insert anything. All right, we can add anything we want to this graphic. If you click on this plus sign, this insertion menu, you see add a logo, add text, add picture, draw, background. So whatever thing that you click, you're going to simply change it. So if you click on add logo, it should activate your shapes menu. You understand? So if you click on you come to the plus and then you click add text, it should able to activate your text insertion area. So you click on add picture, it should be able to activate your picture menu here. This is called picture menu. All these are menus. All right, so whatever you find it in this plus, you can as well find them here. Not all though, but you can find most of them, the most important ones, on your menu bar. All right, so you click on this plus icon. If you click draw, it should be able to bring you your drawing things you can use in drawing. All right, so you can change the picture of what you want, the color of what you want to draw. You can change the blur level. This is blur, how blurrish it will look. You understand? And you can decide to leave it at 0, which will make it sharp. All right, so you can change the pencil thickness from here. All right, this is the pencil thickness. You can change it by sliding up and down. So if you take it to 24, this is the size, and then you take it to 70 something, this is the size, and then you take it to 100 something, this is the size. So you can see there are different levels of increasing it. So that is that. How about if let's close this panel. Closing it is simple, is by clicking on that icon, that mark icon. So we go back there and then we click on background. So when we click on background, you should be able to activate the background. You can see the current background here is this color that you see here. You can see from here, you can just be clicking and it will be changing. You can drag from this side to any color, leave it at any place, and then you have that color available. You can also use this woman's cloth to make your background. How do you do that? Simply, we will treat eyedropper tool different, so let's not go there. How to use the eyedropper tool in Logopit Plus, that will be my next tutorial. So guys, this interface, we are done with that. And then the next one is our file menu. All right, this next one is our file menu. This is our main menu, where if you click on the main menu, you should be able to have all that you need in Logopit Plus, everything. So you have create new, where if you click on create new, it will bring you what do you need: logo, Facebook cover, Twitter. So all these things, the sizes are already custom made sizes are there for you to pick from. We have A4 size, Pinterest, presentation, infograph, Facebook event, business card, social media, 8-shop cover, Facebook app image, and the rest. So you can also use custom size by clicking on the custom and giving any number of pixels you want and clicking on resize canvas. Okay, like I was saying, this area is called canvas, so you resize the canvas. So another thing, the next one is draft. What is draft? Draft is that place, is just known as your saved files. Okay, the files you have been working with from the past with Logopit Plus. Have you been saving them? So any file you work with, you need to save it as draft. So when you save it as draft, anytime you come and you want to change something from that file and then print or send it to someone, you simply come to the file menu, to the main menu, and then click on draft. So these are the files I have worked with in this app. So whatever you see here, I designed it from scratch in this app. You understand? So whatever you see here, I designed it from scratch. There is no, like, if I select this one, some people will be wondering, how is that possible to design this in this app? Yes, I designed this in the app. So this is our, we go to back to the main menu and then we click on so if we want to save this for future use, let's say we were working with this and then we want to save it so that another day we come, we'll still use it. You go to the main menu and click on save, then you click on draft at the bottom here. So when you click on draft, you give it a name, or you can just go ahead and click save. So when you click save, it will be available in draft. So anytime you come to draft, you will see it. Thank you guys. So back to our main menu, we click on the main menu and then we click on clear. What is clear? Remember, there is no redoing, no undo, no redo. If you clear your canvas, everything on this canvas will be gone. Nothing will be left. So let's try it. Click on clear. It said clear canvas confirmation, clear canvas. You said yes. Becomes white. Let's go back and then open another one so we can open this ID card. Whatever I did it, you can see everything here. You can see this one is the one I saved this before and then bring it back again. So launching soon, all these things. So let's go back to our main menu. So we go to the main menu and then there is another one, select all. So if you click on select all, it will highlight or select all object, text, and anything available on the canvas. We click at it and then you see, if I move now, it's moving everything because everything has been selected. Click undo All right, so go back to the main menu and then we have see activate snap. What is activate snap? Let's say you want that if you select something, it should be snapping, it should be taking lines to lines, not just moving freely, so that you can alignment will not be hard for you. If you activate grid, this is how it will look like. We have grid lines on your screen, so it's called activate snap. So if you move this, you'll be moving in grid. You understand? It will be moving in grid. So there is a different. If you if you deactivate the snap, this is how you can move. You can see that it's no longer doing that whatever freezing of a thing. So go back again to the main menu and then we have share. So that one you already know what share is. You can share to whatever. Canvas size to resize, how to resize your canvas, and then how to videos is how to use Logopit Plus. Then saving location, you can change the location you want your files to be saving automatically. Then you can purchase Logopit Plus, your account with Logopit Plus, the terms and conditions, change the color and how the environment looks, the color of things, contact, exit. So guys, at the top we are done with anything we want to do. So let's go back to draft and then bring in another design here. I want to do something. So now we have a menu bar here. It's just like your formatting bar or your standard toolbar. It's combination of every here. So first, the left here we have is your shapes menu. All right, your shapes tab. If you click on this tab, they will say you should add shapes. So from this add shapes, if you click on add shapes, it will bring out list of shapes. So this is all shapes. It will keep refreshing till we have thousands of shapes here. You need data to access this. All right, so you click, if you at this point, this drop down, if you click on it, it will open up what type of shape do you want. Is it an abstract, animal, arrows, art, background, beauty, business, head care, child care, cleaning, communications, construction, consulting, counseling, and everything to user interface to wedding. So you have that is under free shapes. All right, these are free shapes. You are free to use any of it. And then you have another one here called gift. That is the one that Logopit has designed them. They are special shapes, but they are for you. They are free. So you can click the drop down, open it up, you still see the same thing designed, arranged in folders. If you click on photography, you should be able to see shapes concerning photography. So you can see all these things, they have to do with photography. So guys, this one is done. So you go to exclusive, you see different shapes, you open up the drop down, you see different, but this exclusive is for premium members only. And then premium members, gold ratio logos, premium members. So you can click any one of it. So if you purchase Logopit Plus, you can be able to use all those logos. All right, so the next tab here is our text tab. If you click on it, it will highlight the last text you added to the graphic. You understand? So when you click on the text tab, it will highlight. But let's analyze this. This one is for size. This is for size if you want to change the size of the text. And then the next one here is bold, and then italic, and then underline. So here is your font. You can just select any font of your choice. We have different fonts here. We have custom, we have fonts, that is system fonts, and then we have fonts. This first font here, this one is the fonts that are owned by Logopit Plus inside the app. While this one, the second one here, Font Plus, is the fonts from your system, the font system. All right, and the ones added by Logopit Plus. So custom fonts is the ones you have added in a folder, in the Logopit Plus folder, for you to access them here. So all these ones I added them myself. So you can see Impact, Montserrat, Chivo, whatever, all these ones you see here, I added them myself. You have Arial and then you have Edwardian script. So you can see, I think we have done justice to that, and then to that tab. So but there is, okay, the other side here, if you click on this one, you're asking Logopit Plus what to do. You can download more fonts and all these things. So you have another button here. This one is the add text button. If you click on it, it's going to do the same option as if you click the same action as if you click the top here and click on add text. All right, so the next one here is, this one is any text you highlight at that moment, and then you click this button, you want to edit it. So click on it and then the text will come out for you to edit. So guys, we have done justice to text tab. So we go to picture tab. This is picture or whatever, image tab or photo tab, whatever you call it, but here they say it is picture. So assuming, let's go to a fresh listing where if you click on the picture, you will see all the actions. So text, if you click initially, this is how it should look, because if you don't, if it is an empty, there is no text recently. So this is how it should look. When you click like this, then you will now have the add text. So the next is the text button. If you click on the on the photo tab, so the photo tab, you see advanced, you see crop, and then you see add picture. So this advanced, if you bring a picture, is expecting you to bring in the picture first, crop it second, remove background third, and then add it to your design last. That's how you say crop icon, eraser icon, and then plus icon. So the next one is crop and add. So this one, you're not removing background. When you bring it, it's straight, you crop it, and then it's added onto your canvas. So the next one is add picture. This add picture, if you click on it, it's just going straight to bring in the picture. You just bring in the picture you want. It's not cropping. However it is, how rubbish it is there, that is how it will come into your canvas. So that is that. So the next one is your background tab. If you click on this tab, you can change the background of your canvas. Let's zoom out and see what is happening to our canvas. So you click on the background tab and then you click change background. So when you click on change background, you can click on any color of your choice here. You can also use the gradient background fill. So from here you can be clicking this icon to be changing this one is not to change the different gradient fills. This is just to change what dimension do you want that particular gradient to be, you understand? So it will be changing different, then you choose the one you want. So if you, down here is the one for changing of different gradients available. So you can select, click as much as you can to select your own, and then you can get the one you want. So you work with it, and then if you're okay with the background, you can use it. So what is these buttons? This one is just switching between radial and linear. Linear are straight colors, you understand? This is linear, so the colors are straight. Gradients is a round something, you understand? It's going to be round like an egg shape. So the next one here is to snap colors to grid. It's activating grid on your background so that you can, whatever movement, whatever, forget it. So the next one, this X button, is to remove the background entirely. When you click on it, it becomes white again. Remove the grid, so it becomes white again. So the next this one here is just to say I'm okay with the background color I've selected, so add it to my canvas. Then you click elsewhere, you're done. But let's go back to that. So these three dots, what are they doing here? You can click on it and then you can decide to add color to the gradient. Let's say there are three colors, you want to add the fourth one, you can click and then add the fourth. You can see the fourth. So you can click on the three dots again, you can say remove, and it will remove the current one. If you select this, then it and you click remove, it's going to remove that one. So you have only two. And then we have another one. You click there, you say change color. So if this one is now highlighted, the black something um outline following that color is the highlight. All right, it makes say means that is the active color. So if you click and then you say change color, you can drag to this your favorite color. So adding custom gradient fields won't be a problem to you. You understand? So you click next, and then if you love this gradient, you want to use it later, you can simply click save gradient, then you save it. So it is saved. The next time you come, you want to use it again. Let's say your background here is solid color, and then you come, you want to apply that same gradient, click on the background tab and then click on gradient, navigate to these three dots and then click on load gradient, then it will bring it out, you click, and then your background is back. So next one is the save tab. Save tab, what are you going to gain from here? The save tab is giving you what do you want to save this. You understand? So you can save it as draft for future use, for future opening and re-editing. Save it as JPEG is going to download this and save it as JPEG with background. Save as PNG is going to remove if there is no background. Let's say you simply came here and then you click on you walk like this and finish. Let's say you tap something like go, and then you now color it red. If you save this as gradient as JPEG, this go will have white background around it. If you save it as PNG, it's only go that will be available, every other thing will be gone. So you can use it inside your video and anything. You understand? So that's that. So I think we have done justice to this, and then you can click on premium logos to see what you have, if you can buy something, whatever you want to buy from Logopit Plus. So it's going to bring the price, and then so you can buy one. So whatever, you can remove ads, whatever it is. So everything here, you can see reseller. This one, they do not allow one-time purchase. All right, it's subscription, simply subscription. So you can subscribe for a year, you can subscribe however you want it. So but you can see the remove ads has already been marked, which means I have removed ads inside this. So you can click, it's just 1080 naira, so it's not expensive. You can remove ads as well, so that it will not be disturbing you. You click something and then you see ads popping up. It's very disturbing for work. So thank you guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.